In the communication world, telecommunication is one of the fastest growing domains, with mobile phones being most preferred communication tool. In India alone, close to 800 million people use cell phones, making the mobile density cover around two-thirds of urban India and over a third of the rural pockets. And with internet-based smartphones making rapid inroads into the urban markets, a high aspiration level is triggered among those who can't afford them. But for Mango Technologies, a Bangalore-based company, this disparity itself became a motivation behind developing a product that allowed low-end feature phones to have applications which are typically found in the more expensive range. Mango achieved this in 2006 by embedding their technology at the chip-making stage of the phone development cycle.
We started building layers for very low-end mobile phones, right? So we did that work successfully. We worked with top-tier mobile semiconductor companies and OEMs in the world. We work not just for Indian OEMs and operators, but also work with Chinese ODMs.
In layman terms, it meant that Mango installed their technology in the chipsets. A better user interface meant a better user experience that also allowed download of newer applications to custom fit the user requirement. Interestingly, the process didn't even entail a load on the phone memory or escalation in the cost of the handset. But to keep pace with the telecom market isn't an easy job, as better technologies only become cheaper in a short course of time, throwing newer challenges for innovators. Mango is not immune either. Accordingly, it is now redefining the mid-tier phones by increasing their usability.
As market is progressing, as mobile industry is progressing, we are also progressing along with that. And now we have reached at step 2 of our journey, where we are saying it's not just a very low-end phone, but also your low to mid-tier smartphones need to be redefined, because that's where most of the Indian consumers would be making their choices.
Achieving this objective for Mango means concentrating its efforts to develop applications that will most suit the requirement of a particular user. In other words, giving user what he needs most, rather than having to be content with what the phone companies have to offer. Therefore, Mango is working to develop applications across parameters like education, healthcare, and others, and customizing its applications to meet the professional and personal needs of a specific user. This means that if you're in courier business, using a Mango product can help you track your package from your phone. And for a bookworm, finding books would be a matter of minutes right on your palm. On the other hand, though, Mango applications will also be sensitive towards linguistic, cultural, or geographical requirements of its customer base. But one thing that makes Mango a cut above the rest will be its path-breaking PC-based product called Carom Suite. And a little inquiry about the product only reveals that wrapped up in this technology is a revolution for mobile users.
If I see in terms of the internet evolution, everybody at one point of time wanted their own website. They wanted to have their own, you can say, e-commerce website. Even a small business today wants its own website. So we have the same kind of vision for the mobile. We feel that maybe not today, but within the next 2 or 3 years, everybody would want a mobile application for themselves, which they can give out to their own user set.
It means, if you're a lawyer, you could develop your own application and circulate it amongst your clients. Or a musician could build direct connection with his listeners through the mobile network. But just how explosive this technology could become will depend on just how fast the internet penetrates itself in the Indian market, a gap you only wish could be filled instantaneously.